Command, this is Engine 4. We've got a spot fire position to the line on the ridge. Need water fire junk commander Ron Sparks. Hold your line. I'm vectoring air support to your coordinates now.
Air attack, this is Sparks. Divert to Sector Charlie. Ground crews need immediate retarded drops.
Copy, Commander Sparks. Air attack is inbound. Payload armed.
Air attack, this is Incident Commander Ron Sparks. Wind is shifting. Adjust your drop pattern to the eastern flank.
Copy, Commander Sparks. Adjusting approach. Payload away.
Engine 4, this is Commander Sparks. Sit rep, over. Commander, static. Do you read? We are static, losing visibility. Repeat, Engine 4. Static, cannot copy. Say again.
Command, this is Engine 4. Do you read? Commander Sparks.
Engine 4, anyone on this static?
Comms are down. We're completely cut off. We've lost all contact with the ground crews and air support. Deploy the K1000. We need eyes in the sky and comms back up now. This works are now.
All units, this is Incident Commander Ron Sparks. How do you read me?
Commander Sparks, this is Engine 4. We read you loud and clear.
Command, air attack is back on the net, awaiting orders.
Air attack. K1000 data shows a massive hotbot on the eastern flank. Divert drops to grid Alpha 7.
Copy that, Commander Sparks. Payload away. Commander, Engine 4 confirms direct hit on the target. The line is holding. All units, stand down. This is Incident Commander Ron Sparks. The fire is officially contained. We won this fight today, and we owe it all to the K1000.